This is gonna be the best shopping trip ever. I heard they just restocked the.
Hey, are you free today? Yes, I am free. What's up? I need to buy some things. Can you come shopping with me? Sure, I can come. What do you need? I need groceries, clothes, and maybe new shoes. Okay, that's a lot, but it's fine. Let's go together. Great. Let's start with the supermarket. Do you have a list? Yes, I made a list. What's on it? Bread, milk, eggs, fruits, rice, and some snacks. Okay, let's find the bread first. Bread is usually in the first aisle. Here it is. Do you want whole wheat or white bread? Whole wheat. It looks fresher. It costs $2.50. That's fine. Now milk. Milk is at the back. Let's go. This one is $3. Okay, take 1 carton. Now eggs. Eggs are $4 for a dozen. I'll take 1 dozen. What fruits do you want? Apples and bananas. Apples are $1.80 per pound. Okay, give me 2 pounds. Bananas are $1.20 per bunch. I will take 1 bunch. Do you want snacks? Yes, maybe some biscuits and chips. Biscuits are $2. I will take 2 packs. And chips are $1.50. Okay, 1 bag is enough. I think that's everything. Yes, let's go pay. Cashier. Hello. Did you find everything? Yes, thank you. Do you need a bag? Yes, 1 bag, please. Your total is $18.50. I will pay by card. Please enter your PIN. Done. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Ready for the clothing store? Yes, I need shirts and pants. Okay, let's look around. I like this shirt. What do you think? It looks good. What size do you need? Medium. Here is medium. Try it on. I will be back. I tried it. It fits, but maybe another color will be better. Which color? Blue. Here is a blue medium size. Okay, I will try this too. The blue one looks better. Yes, it suits you. How much is it? The tag says $15. That's okay. I will buy it. Do you need pants too? Yes, I wear size 32. Here are size 32 pants. Try them. Yes, I'll try. These pants fit well. They cost $25. That's fine. I want 1 more pair. Try this darker one. This one is good too. So you want 2 pants? Yes. Should I buy a jacket too? If you need one. This one looks good. How much is it? It is $35. I will take it. Let's go pay. Sure. Hello. Hi, I want these items. Your total is $75. I will pay by card. Thank you. Now let's go to the shoe store. Okay, what kind of shoes do you want? Comfortable walking shoes. Here are some. Try them. These are okay, but a little heavy. Try this pair. They look lighter. Yes, they feel much better. How much are they? The tag says $40. Ask if there is a discount. Excuse me, is there any discount on these? Shopkeeper. Yes, final price is $35. Okay, I will take them. I also want moisturizer. Skincare section is here. This moisturizer is $6. It's good for dry skin. I will take it. I also need lip balm. Lip balm is $2. I want the strawberry one. Here you go. Do you think I should buy shampoo too? If you need it, yes. This shampoo is $5. That's a good price. I will take it. I want to buy a water bottle for the gym. Here are bottles. I like this blue one. It costs $4. I'll buy it. I need a gift too. What kind of gift? Something simple, like a mug. Here are some. This one is nice. It is $8. Take it. Should I get it wrapped? Yes, it looks better. I will ask them. I think we finished everything. Yes, we did a lot of shopping. Thank you for coming. No problem. I like shopping with you. I get tired alone. Shopping with a friend is easier. True. Are you hungry? Yes, let's eat something. Let's go to the food court. Good idea. I need some warm clothes. Do you want pizza? Yes, pizza sounds good. One small pizza is $9. Let's share it. Yes. Today was a long day. Yes, but we finished everything. You bought clothes, shoes, groceries, skincare, everything. Yes, now I feel relaxed. Good. Thank you again. Anytime. Let's eat. Yes, let's go.